Time for a crypto market update, September 8th, 2025. Observe the symmetrical triangle pattern. Yes, this is all math. Crypto prices equal math, supply and demand, and it's good to learn pattern recognition. And the exciting thing to look at in real time here on this market update is the total 3 crypto market cap. That is all of crypto minus Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? So this doesn't calculate in the math of Bitcoin and Ethereum's price action. Currently, we're in a symmetrical triangle on the daily chart, and the way symmetrical triangles work is that they don't really show their cards until the end, and typically, when we break out of them, they're big breakouts. They're big impulsive moves up or big impulsive moves down. And investors and specifically day traders, they're not sure which position to take. And in this case, I think it's bullish because usually the symmetrical triangles, when they break with the trend. And as you can see, the daily trend is up. In other news, Bitcoin is getting ready for its final leg up, potentially ending the entire Bitcoin bull market between now and the end of the year, maybe January. We're currently staging the way we did in previous cycles. Some people want to say this time is different. Some people want to say things never change. We've just got to not try to predict. We've got to adapt. And as institutions continue to push crypto forward into the future, 2 of the largest hedge funds on the planet, Fidelity and BlackRock, have both chosen Ethereum as their tokenization platform. They manage $29 trillion, don't let that slip by you, $29 trillion of assets under management. A lot of people, especially social media influencers who are peddling meme coins and other blockchain protocols that they are paid to promote, really hate Ethereum. But at the end of the day, it's here to stay because it has 55% of total value locked in all of crypto hosted on it. And all the banks love it because it's never had any downtime. That being said, I think we're moving into large cap / blue chip ETF season this fall, Q4 specifically, as you start to see new ETF exchange or applications like Grayscale, massive hedge fund, put in their Chainlink Trust ETF application. We'll probably see those start to roll out systematically throughout the fall. And the next thing you know, we'll be tracking not only Bitcoin and Ethereum inflows and outflows, we'll be tracking XRP ETFs and ETH staking ETFs and Chainlink and AVAX ETFs, etc. It's going to be euphoric. Speaking of euphoria, if you weren't here in the last cycle and you think we've experienced euphoria already, you have no idea what euphoria looks like. And this is a great example. 4 years ago, a gentleman purchased this picture of a golden house. It's an NFT. It's a non-fungible token to his credit. He purchased it for $250,000 priced in Solana. And to show you how fast bear markets can happen, only 6 months later, he sold this house for $8,000. Now, what's the takeaway here? Well, the takeaway isn't that NFTs are bad. The takeaway is that this is a game of musical chairs. It doesn't mean it's gambling or that you're at a slot machine. It means that if you walk in here without skills, without preparation, without a strategy, you're going to find yourself holding the bag. We famously call this round-tripping your portfolio. And it is an emotionally and financially traumatic experience. The top of the crypto market is coming, but it's not here yet. The first thing we've got to do is we've got to experience euphoria. Bull markets do not end in low social media sentiment. If you found this video helpful, give me a number 5 in the comments. Send it to somebody who needs to hear this. Like and follow, and make sure you understand that I will never DM you. I'll never invite you to some proprietary trading opportunity. That's not me. It's a scammer. Watch your back. See you on the next one.